Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It is October 5th. It is lunchtime. I got my Hidden Woodsman day pack. I got this little table out here. I'm going to be doing a MRE menu number 5, the chicken chunks. And the buckles keep catching on the table, angering me to no end. Let's turn the camera down and we'll go over what's inside, and we'll start this sucker going. Alrighty, let's see what we have today. We have everything getting stuck inside the bag. Alright, we got Trail Mix Recovery. Had that before. Accessory pack, pretty standard. Buffalo style hot sauce, that's a new one. I haven't seen that before. The spoon. Cheese spread. Unfortunately not jalapeno, but that's alright. Lemon lime drink mix. Another lemon lime. Damn. Oh, interesting. We have tortillas, plain. We have the, oh sweet, First Strike ration bar. I love these. We've got the main here, these chicken chunks. And you know what I'm not seeing? I'm not seeing an FRH. We got peanut M&Ms, the score. There's no FRH in here. Huh. That's, I get the little cardboard. No FRH. That's really weird. Yeah, we're heating this up in a cast iron skillet. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get the olive oil out. I decided to kick this up a little bit with some bacon. I got some of that pre-cooked bacon, or that shelf-stable store-bought bacon. Like these leather. Got my dollar store fire kit. Check the description below. Because why not add bacon? I mean, honestly, bacon is good. I got the beverage, the recovery. I'm excited about the M&Ms, but buffalo style hot sauce. I noticed there's no crackers in here. It must be replaced by the tortillas, which that's interesting. That'll work. Accessory pack. Probably not even gonna open. Oh, there's a drink mix in there. It's lemonade base mix, but they already give you a base. They give you so they give you 2 drinks. Interesting. And there's no coffee at all. There's no coffee, but there's 2 beverage bases. That's interesting. So, yikes, 6 minutes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this heat up, and then I'll bring it back, because it's already been 6 to 10 minutes, and I didn't mean to run it that long, so. Alright. Bacon is crisping up nicely. And spilled a little. Blasphemy. Get the chicken chunks in here. Damn it, come on. Wow. The chicken looks exactly like the stuff you get out of the can. I mean, exactly. Honestly, I kind of expected more from the chicken chunks, but looks like you get a couple of flour tortillas, and they got the cheese spread to go with it. So I just heat those up right there on top. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Knead the cheese spread up. Wow. Quite honestly, this is something you can buy that pre-cooked chicken in a pouch, which I actually have one at home for something else I was going to do. But you could easily just do this. Just with store-bought ingredients. Probably hot enough, so I'm going to go ahead and kill it. And then I'm going to rip the cheese open and fill, so I'll use a knife. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cheese right in here so it kind of gets melted. Come on, let go. There we go. Get that cheese mixed up. Nice. All right. Kind of use this as a makeshift plate of sorts. Wow, bugs, you have to buzz right around my face. Go ahead and try the buffalo sauce on it, just for the full effect. You know, the barbecue that I saved would have been good on here too. Stand that up. Excuse me. Wow, really? Well, I went ahead and ate the other one off camera because, you know, I opened a lemonade. It tastes like lemonade. You know, honestly, I'm a little disappointed. It's not that it tastes bad. It's just that the chicken, you could buy this kind of chicken in any store, in that pre-cooked chicken pouches. It's the same stuff. And then no FRH. So I'll be eating the whole thing cold. I guess it wouldn't be bad, but I'm glad I listened to Tracy and brought the skillet out and heated it up. So yeah. So the drink mix, I literally just had it the other day, so I'm not going to bother. The trail mix, I'm going to save for another time because you guys should all know what trail mix is. The buffalo sauce, man. I would have liked some Texas Pete instead. Although it does come with M&Ms and the First Strike. I love these First Strike bars, so this will be definitely enjoyed. These First Strike bars are good. I don't think I've ever had the chocolate one before. Give this one a bite. Pretty tasty. I think I like the raspberry one better though. It's still very good though. I think these are probably the best thing they've had. Well, one of the best things I've eaten out of these meals. Of course. M&M's are always a win or a score, so. Or always a win. Alright. And go ahead and call it here. As always, I appreciate you watching. I look forward to reading your comments. Appreciate the comments as always. Let me know what you think about the meal and the cast iron. And I'll catch you on the next one.